Alright guys, so bear with me today. It is a bit windy and I honestly don't even know if my mic is working. It got wet, rained on yesterday. Like all night it was wet, and when I took it out of my bag today it was just soaking. So, and it's nowhere near a waterproof mic, so I'm hoping for the best here. But I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to even hear me. But anyways, we're talking about, well, I've been talking about NFTs recently, and just from my views and from the likes and comments, I can tell you guys aren't really interested in NFTs, nor do you guys like trading content. I just try to provide as much tools to you guys as possible to obviously, achieve financial freedom, make as much money as possible. So, talking about crypto, which is what you guys definitely like, guys, it's to the point where the passive side of crypto is really easy. You don't need much more to keep adding to the pie, because sometimes the more you add, the worse it gets. I have different content based off of different demand, right? So if you're on YouTube, I try to provide a like what I believe is pretty safe, pretty cool, what I'm looking into. Patreon is a bit more, I give a bit more things here and there that you can kind of open yourself up to, open your horizons and different investment opportunities. If you guys want to sign up for that, again, the link is in the description below for one-on-one mentorship with me when it comes to this whole crypto world and blockchain world, right? So NFTs are its own little category, right? I always recommend to be diversified, get some NFTs in your portfolio, ones that have intrinsic value, some that provide passive income, or what I have been looking into. Cryptos, guys, just you have your portfolio built. If you've been watching my videos, you know what you're doing. Just be patient. Like I've said, we were waiting for everything to really take off towards the end of this year. Things are looking to be a bit more towards January, February, like first quarter of 2022 is going to be very interesting, is what we're going to be looking at. Just continue to dollar cost averaging, adding up to the portfolio, building, like I've been saying for months. And you guys are good on that. Now, for those that want to venture into trading, which is not something that I recommend for those that are new to crypto, because you're introducing unnecessary risk, right? You can make a lot of money just being passive, just being patient, just relaxing, not having to be stressed out. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the wind. It's just not the right day. But so the thing, oh my God, my hair. The thing is that once you have a venture, like a little avenue that you can take, or what's the word I'm looking for, once you have like something that you can really focus your energy towards, right, which is in this case just investing in crypto, that's it. Like, just focus on that. Focus on saving money here, saving money there, not eating out, not spending money on this, knowing that you can buy more crypto with that money. That's what you can do on a daily basis to actively work on your crypto portfolio, saving money wherever possible and reinvesting as much as possible. Okay, you don't necessarily need to keep adding new coins or dropping old ones. Okay, you need to be patient with some of these coins that are just going to take their time to play out. Know that you're investing into solid projects, that it's the only thing standing in between now and that being worth a lot more money is time. Then all you need to add to the formula is patience, right? Just be patient. A couple months, maybe a year, just play it out. For those that invested early, even late 2019, early 2020, those were times where you just need to be patient. I've been in this game for years now, right? Don't be too tied to, I need it now. No, it's not the right mindset. That's not at all what you need to have running through your mind. If anything, you want to just focus on building, looking at the total amount of every single cryptocurrency you have, and focusing on making that number bigger on a weekly basis. If weekly isn't feasible for you, bi-weekly, but just as frequently as possible, making that thing grow. That is your recipe for success, for financial success. Okay. Now, you don't need to actively be working on that specifically every single day. Like I said, you can focus on saving money here, saving money there, but you're just, in the background, you're building on that portfolio. My God, my hair, man. The wind is hitting that way, so it's just I don't work. All right. Anyways, so you've got that set up. A lot of you guys already have that set up. You've wanted to dabble with trading, okay? There is a learning curve to trading. I believe in trading. I like trading, okay? It's something that I do. It's not something you have to take like too seriously, but nor can you just kind of like play around with it here or there and think you're going to be, a good trader. No, when it's your learning curve, when you're in that phase of learning, I recommend being at it like every day. If you're not going to trade every day, you don't need to trade every day, but you need to be looking at the charts. You need to be analyzing. You need to at least make a mental note of what the trade of the day was. Does that make sense? I specifically trade Ethereum. That's my baby. That's what I trade on a daily basis. Okay. I use Market Cipher, like a lot of you guys know. Okay, so I like to, analyze and tell, okay, the market is going to go up or down today. Simple as that. It's one or the other. It's either a confirmation that, okay, yeah, we're definitely going to go up, or a confirmation that we're definitely going to go down. Different time frames, whether it's going to be a couple hours to play out, a day or two to play out, a couple minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to play out, etc. Right? I just take whatever opportunities are presented to me. I let the trades come to me. I don't go after looking for the trades. When I know that when I feel that it's right to look at the charts, I'll look at them, I'll analyze, I'll see what I need to do. Okay. There's going to be losses. There's going to be wins. You need to win more than you lose. It's as simple as that. Okay. I love trading, and a lot of people, I believe that they can be good at trading as long as they put up the work. Right. They invest their time to learn what the ins and outs of trading are. The experience builds up exponentially and ends up being something that it's like a skill. It's independent. It's completely independent of anything. It's something that you build up yourself, and you can always provide yourself. It's like a money printer. You can provide money to yourself, income based off of a skill, a computer, and a Wi-Fi connection. That's it. That's all you need. Okay. So that I always, preach. That is a good barrier. Okay. For those that are completely new to crypto, completely new to investing, I don't recommend jumping straight into trading. Build up your portfolio. Get mentally sane on that. Because people, when they get into crypto, when they're building the portfolio in a month, this hair is just not with it today. In like a month or two, they're already like every day they're looking at the prices of the portfolio. Oh, it's going up, it's going down. Like, you need to be able to build up a crypto portfolio, be added to it weekly, and you haven't even checked the total balance in like a month or two, because it's irrelevant. You have a game plan, you're executing on that game plan. You're not worried about the results, because the results aren't going to show now. They're going to show months down the line. See what I mean? That is a really good mindset. Take notes. Okay. Once you've got that, once you are mentally structured and stable on that, whether it could be a couple weeks, a couple months, a year, it doesn't matter. What everybody learns at their own pace. Once you're good with that, then you can start dabbling with trading if it's something that you're interested in, right? And NFTs are a whole nother world. It's something that you need to slowly inch into. If it's something that resonates with you, if something that really feels that like it can make you a lot of money. NFTs is definitely something that resonates with me. Like I feel like I can make a lot of money with NFTs. I just need to be patient with it, take my time with it, and make the right moves here and there. Okay. So those are my thoughts for December. Great times here in Costa Rica. A lot of time with the family. I went to the beach. The last 2 days in a row. Had a good time. Didn't really film any content. Just living life, man. Just having a good ass time. I was there with some friends. And yeah, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. I'm gonna be posting. Yeah. So yeah, this is the last video of this year. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications turned on. If you want to sign up for a one-on-one mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. Guys, like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.